Telling apart code written by a seasoned programmer and an AI gets trickier. Both will produce clean, efficient code, but there are still subtle clues. An expert programmer's code, while polished, will have a unique style, little quirks in how they name variables or structure their code, reflecting their experience and preferences. Their comments will be insightful, explaining their thinking, not just what the code does. They also consider the bigger picture, readability, how easy the code will be to change later, and whether it will scale well. AI, on the other hand, might create incredibly efficient code that's almost too perfect, lacking those human touches. It might be consistently formatted, but without the subtle variations you'd see in human work. AI also might not fully grasp the long-term implications of its choices. So, while both will produce high-quality code, looking for those subtle hints of human creativity and consideration along with using code analysis tools can help you tell them apart.